Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm losing daylight fast. I still haven't got any drone footage here, so I'm gonna try to take a quick little drone flight before I lose all the daylight. Close to where I'm staying, so I'm gonna take up my Geprc Dark Star 20. If y'all can see that at all. Yeah, put some new props on it recently. But yeah, I'm gonna try to take it up for a few flights real quick. I don't know if I'm gonna need an ND filter or not, but we'll see. And I guess get ready for the night, or maybe do some editing in the meanwhile, and then get ready for another night out in the town. I was hungover, so I got a late start today. But got some caffeine in me and some aspirin, some other stuff. So I feel better now, so let's get it up, all right? Found me a spot to post up, y'all, real quick. I think this will work. See if I can do it, y'all. Oh man. Did I crash? Y'all see my drone? Crash over here. Oh shit. Ah, thank you. I'm nervous, man. I'm shaking trying to fly. I crashed. Thank y'all. Appreciate it. All right, gotta get better. All right. Drone, yeah, I was nervous. Cool. Yeah, it's all right. Woo! All right, y'all. I crashed a couple of spots down from me. What's up, fellas? So, woo! Nerves are bad. Nerves are bad. I'm gonna take it to the beach to fly next time around. I'm gonna let that do it for now. My nerves are shot. All right, y'all. I'm gonna try to take the Neo selfie drone up instead because I'm too nervous to fly right now. So maybe this will do better. We'll see. Wish me luck, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm back on the block. So let's try this again. Hopefully I'll be able to get a few shots with this thing before it gets too dark. This thing needs a lot of light. The Neo, that is, needs a lot of light to videotape, so let's hope it works out and it's not too dark. Not too dark. Let's go down. I'm gonna try it again. Different one. Woo. All right. I think this is a good spot to start as any. Let's try it out and hopefully no whammies. You know what I'm saying? I'm drawing a little too much attention right there, so let me move along. along a little ways. We're gonna try it out, y'all. Let's try here. All right.
3, 2, 1.
Fly higher. Fly higher.
No problem.
Might be as high as it's gonna get. All right, let's try. Let's see. Fly lower. How's it going? So far, so good, y'all. As long as nobody hits me, they shouldn't hit the drone. So, we shall see. Across the street. Oh, shit. Across the road. Over. So woke up late. Hey, how's it going? Oh man. So I just threw on my same gear I had on last night, or at least a t-shirt. So I get out, get some footage while the weather's okay. I got enough sunlight to do some drone shots, so I'm about to get home, go back and shower up. Yeah, get ready for the night. See how much time we got left. 60%. Doesn't look like a lot going on. I guess people are just kind of chilling out, waiting for the night. People probably just chilling. So I'll probably turn around a little bit, maybe get a little more drone shots, follow mode. I wasn't even recording on my other camera. So I was giving y'all the commentary. Uh-oh. Let's see if I get across before this truck hits me. All right, cool. This is my drone. Follow closer.
No problem.
I probably need to get some cash, y'all, but not just yet. Not just yet. How's it going, y'all? It's doing pretty good. It's doing pretty good. Got it, got it. Everybody's getting a kick out of it. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. I can't really see it. But yeah, everybody's getting a kick out of it. I better probably land this Everybody's getting a kick out of it. I'm getting a kick out of it. Hell, let me put another battery in and get the last battery number 2. Let's see how we do. It's back there hanging. This thing is working pretty damn good. Pretty pleased. Pretty pleased with it so far. Okay. Yeah. Stop following me. I didn't know I hit the virtual joystick button and fucked my shit up. Alright, let's try it again. Let's wait, y'all. Coming by kind of quick. Line. Right, we're good. We're good. Follow further.
No problem.
I guess I'm not being too obnoxious with this thing. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. Let's see what's up with this with that jogger. Let's go on. Dude, thick. How's it going? All right. Putting in work. All right, back by Nagasaki. All right, I think that's gonna do it, y'all. First test successful. Back at the crib. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if let's go in here and learn. Cool. Good job. All right. So I'm gonna get cleaned up for the night, y'all. That's it for the drones for the day. we'll try to get some other time. Maybe tomorrow if the weather holds up. Hopefully it will.